The Blue Garden presents glasscarvingonbottles.com and The Machine. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Alright, here we go. Let's get to work.
How many people does it take to nail and turn this plastic plug? This is how you make snow for Hollywood. I didn't know I'd be working for Mickey Mouse, where every job's a Mickey Mouse job.
Alright, I found the problem here. You can see here. When they cut this, welcome to another episode of Stuffwork. Alright, let's see if they did the trick here. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Almost wedding time. This is how you make me feel cool.
Alright, here we are. We're going to start to drill this hole here.
here how this ceramic cut is very hard. And when it's very hard like this, it takes a long time to cut. Some ceramic cuts are easier, but this one you can see is very tough. Almost quitting time. This is how you make steel wool. Steel wool. Alright, right here we have a steel drum. It's about 14 inches in diameter and it weighs approximately 1,000 pounds. And what I'm doing here is turning it down smooth, and it's made out of stainless steel, 304 stainless. And this goes to the food industry. I'm not going to give the name of the company, but what is used for is rolling flat the masa. So the cutter, which is the plastic one you see me cutting many times, here you see one of those patterns being made. And you can see all the details that go into it. This is done on a milling machine with a indexing head. And this is called 4-axis machining. And you can see the pattern being formed and cut. Very interesting. And this is what I do for the food industry. Now, in this video, you also seen some fighter jets flying. You're probably wondering why. Well, I used to do that too. I used to work on military aircrafts. And I'll show you a photo of me inside a hangar next to a B-1 bomber. Alright. That's really me, and that's a real photo. And this is a B-1 bomber aircraft. And the work I done on this I cannot tell you, but I can show you this photo. And the work was very interesting, top secret, and I was proud to be able to be asked to join the team to work on this aircraft. I appreciate all you guys if you subscribe and help the channel out, because I need your help. I can't grow the channel without you. So if you could tell your friends, your followers, your Instagrammers, Facebook, I would appreciate it. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 viewing hours. Well, I'm nowhere near that, and sometimes it gets very disappointing. Don't want to make any videos. I see the analyticals on here, and you guys are not liking what you're seeing because you're not watching. I don't know what more you want. I'm trying to do stuff, and you guys are not interested. Some of you are, but it's very few. I'll never get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 viewing hours. So it's very tough. I have to tell you right now, I only have 14.3 watching viewing hours. 14.3, and I need 4,000 hours, and I only have around 52 subscribers. Nowhere near 1,000. So if you could help me out, I'll keep the videos rolling. And let me know in the comments what you're interested in, because I'm trying here. Alright, have a good night.